Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we will learn the differences between male and female prayer, because most of the women, they follow the men, and they shouldn't be, because there is a difference between male and female prayer. So inshallah, we'll try to show you what are the differences between male and female. So first thing, when you are on musalla, make prayer, so make sure that between your 2 feet, they are like 4 inches place. First thing, and then your feet should be towards the Qibla. Second thing, and then say Allahu Akbar. So for men, what they do, they bring their hands up to the ear like this, not like this, not like this, just like this. And then they should put their hands under the navel like this. So this is the position for men. And for female, they don't need to bring their hands up to the ear, just up to the shoulder like this. Yeah, and then they lay their hands on the chest like this. Yeah, and then after that, when they go in ruku, so I'm going to tell you the ruku position for male. So the male, they will do like this. So their hands, both hands should be on the knees, and their back should be like it should be straight. And for female, they don't need to bend down like this, just their hands should be above the knees like this. Yeah, so they don't need to force too much, no, just like this. And then they will go in sajda. So I'm going to tell you the position in sajda, that so they will go like this for female. This is for female position, like everything first, like see my feet should be like this. Yes, together, both feet should be together, and then like this, the elbows and the hands, everything should be flat and should be on ground, and there shouldn't be any gap between these things, and your elbow should be touched to the thigh like this. So this is for female. And for men, they do like sajda like this, like their hands should be on the ground, their forehead and nose should be on ground, but their elbows should be out, not on the ground, and they should have like the space between these two and between the elbows, everything. And their feet should be flat, and the toes should be on the ground like this firmly. So this is for man position in sajda. And then when you sit in tashahud, so for men, they will do like this, like the right one should be like this, should be straight like this, only the toes should be on the ground, and this one should be like this. And for female, they don't need to do like this, but their feet, they will keep their feet aside like this, not like this. A lot of women, most of the women, they make mistake here. So their feet, and they should keep their feet aside like this. And for men, they will do like this, like one feet should be here like this, and the second one should be like this. So mashallah, these are the differences between male and female, like this. You can see now, like this. So these toes should be flat and should be on ground, and they should be directed towards Qibla like this. So mashallah, this is perfect way. If you act upon this thing, then inshallah your nawaz will be according to sunnah. Inshallah, jazakallah khairah. Share this video, so inshallah you will get reward. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.